Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to create PowerPoint circle photo. We start with the image that we have in our PowerPoint. Next, we will go to the Insert menu, and within the Shapes option, we will choose the circle to insert it. We press and create the circle using, if we want, the Shift key to preserve the proportions. After that, we right-click on the image and choose the Cut option. Then we right-click on the circle and click on Format Shape. In the menu that opens, we display the Fill option and check the Picture or Texture option. After that, within Image Source, we choose Clipboard, and we will see that the image is inserted inside the circle. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Another faster option is to click on the image and click on Picture Format. Then, within Crop, click on Crop to Shape and select the circle. We will see how our image takes a circular shape. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.